Women-led business. To succeed in a very competitive sector, strong leadership with a plan for sustainability are two of the many skills required. Grace Yu of Elite Alliance Services, EAS, checks those boxes and many more. EAS is an educational consulting company providing services to students planning to study abroad. Since 2014, her firm has helped more than 30,000 international students achieve their goal of attending school in another land. What sets EAS apart from other organizations is Grace's vision, offering comprehensive support services for students, helping them integrate successfully into the local community and get the best out of their Canadian experience. Congratulations to the 2021 Women-Led Business Award recipient, Elite Alliance Services, EAS Incorporated.